Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your headroom. Let me do what I do, let's slow down. Let me talk to you, don't tell me about your. Good morning guys, it is now June 18 and it's currently 7 a.m. At exactly 7 a.m. Ni-order ko sa BTS meal. Wala na ako vlog kay I know basig magka-crash ang app or like ka ng mga bayad niya. Wala ko'y cash diri karon. And akong gamit to order kay ang Mac Delivery app. Actually, wala ko naka-reserve or katong coupon channelin kay I had no idea. Like, outdated na kay ko. But I really wanted to try the BTS meal. I forgot, pero murag ako siyang gischedule for 9 a.m. kay sayo pa kaayo niya. I don't want to eat. Wala pa ko'y appetite karon. I'll update you guys once na I guess. Kuyog rin ako karon kasi chim-chim. I'll talk to you guys later once maabot na ang akong gi-order. So, na siya Coke, but dili ko mag-Coke karon kamama ni. I bought McFlurry because it's my fave. I don't know what's inside. Ang ako rin ginaibawan kay BTS milk. By the way, ko na 8:57, so mas early siya sa katong scheduled time. This is the Cajun sweet chili. Oh, na paper. Ora. Ay, ano kung na-photo? Shut up. This will melt your heart into two. I think one yung fries. Fries. Naka-BTS meal na ba ang tanan? Oh. Lami na siya tanag rice na. Rice person jud ko. Iwang si mama. Yan ako ni mama ganihan kung wala ko kwarta ma. Ibong na siya nga na ako hindi pa deliver. Kukuha kay kwarta. Mas bet na ako ang sweet chili. Ano kung gidip ang fries ako for the nuggets, bitch. I-reply si mama sa akong story, ano siya. BTS di ay. Iwasan na nila akong kaon. And I think mag-rice ko. Alam ko ito para sa rice, Anyway, talk to you guys later. Maligo ko and then mag-get ready para sa akong adlaw. Wow! Hey guys, so nakaligo na ako. Ako lang ibalik akong shirt because why not? Karon kay mag-take ko og pic for an IG post. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do my nails. Like press-on nails raman. Again, nag-order gihapon ko sa Nail Paradise. Personalized press-on nail set. So, mauni ang designs. Duha ka buok set akong gipahimo. I think kaning first akong gamiton. I don't know. Ganang si kong gamit ani. Sige, kanin na lang para fun. Hey guys, so muna akong nails niya. Naka-realize ko nga may padi ay gi-measure na ako balik akong nails kay murag nausab siya. Yakan niya siya kay sayop akong, I don't know if ako ang sayop or pero di siya maklaro. Di siya obvious kaayo kay tungod nude ang base niya pero look at that. Na siya space. As you can see. Kanina sa pikas. And here. Kalimot ko kinsa akong gikopyahan but I think si Rose. Dili ko sure sa other side nga kamot niya so ako na lang siyang same. So for my outfit, maano siya ang akong peg. Very summer na siya kay Shopee and huot na kay siya di mada. Pajama from Ukay. I think 10 pesos akong palit ani. And I really like the color. Not sure if Ana or Ana. Ay, tapon lang. Mag-makeup lang ko gamay. My gosh, ilang utas sis. Let's cover that bags.
Bakit? Hatog. Hatog. Tulog na ba ka? Grabe, di mada. I don't know asa akong katong mobile tripod and I lost a nail. Charot, wala bitaw. Nardere. Yeah, kay tungod lagi. Struggle is real. But I think okay na. Nakahimo na ko og Instagram story. I think satisfied ra ko sa pic. Though, lisod jud kayo siya. Kay walay tig picture. But anyway, we're good. Pabadlong ba yung juntis? Struggle na sad ko ani ighubo kay so huot. Nagpatabang ako sa mama. And then ako i-install balik akong nail dere. The baby is back! Wow, what are you painting? Uy! Gigi! Time to paint! Let me see your dinosaur baby.
Open!
Girl, who's frozen? Hey, get out! What are you doing? What did Daddy said?
Open.
Okay, time to eat.
I smell. It's my hand.
You like it?
It's so cold. Hey, bawal. Bawal.
Okay, ba?
It's fun.
It's fun.
It's fun.
You can do it. You like the icing? It's yummy.
What?
What did the cow said?
I did it. Look on my tongue. Look, I did it.
Yeah, good job. Are you okay? No more yayay?
No more yay.
My turn?
Boom, boom, listen.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Outside again. Just wanna chill with my friends. Outside again.
Eh guys, kapadong may karon sa Okayan. Lakaw lang gamay kay nag-struggle sa parking. Pero kay di man init na.
We out. Outside again.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom.